apply my wigs, my wig units, how I get them to lay down flat. Basically, I've already washed and straightened out my unit. Just to show you guys, I've already washed it and straightened it just for time purposes. I didn't want to show how I do that, but I am going to show you how I apply it and style it to keep it down and to keep it like this all day. So if you want to know how I did that, how I'm going to do that, please stay tuned. And for you guys to show you how my closure looks now before I apply any spray or anything to it. Pretty good. I did put my foundation on here just so that it could be as close to my scalp as possible, but I'm going to show you guys how to lay down the baby hair. But this is just a close-up view of how it's looking. Pretty good though. It's completely glueless. I have not applied any glue to my hair. I don't have any Ghost Bond, nothing. As you can see, I could lift it up if I want to, but I'm gonna just show you guys how I get it to stay down. So I'm gonna clip this back a little bit more. And this is actually the scalp of the wig. This is not my scalp. So as you can see, it's already laying down. So what you're gonna do is take your Got2b Glued spray. And I don't like to apply it straight to my scalp just because I feel like, honestly, it really doesn't, it just leaves it kind of white. So I like to just apply it onto the back of my edge toothbrush. And then I like to just go like this. So basically what you're gonna see me doing here is I'm pressing that lace into my scalp. I know it's hard to see the lace because it's literally blending into my scalp, but this is exactly how you do it. So you want to just hold that down for however many seconds. Just hold it down, and yeah, so that's going to stay like that. And while that's still doing that, take your, I'm using this, but you can use the gel of your choice to lay it down. So I'm just gonna take that to just go here. I've already customized my unit, so I don't really have to worry about cutting in baby hairs, but you just wanna like take the baby hair and you wanna kind of go like that. Now, only thing about using the Ecostyler Gel is that it does show up, but I like it because it makes it stay down even though you're not using any actual glue. You're just like literally using the gel. So yeah, so like I said, my baby hairs are already cut, so I'm not gonna really have to do as much as you might have to do if you haven't already customized your wig. But I'm just gonna be taking this and just brushing this down so it looks like as natural as possible, like that, right? Kind of like my scalp. So you can do that however you want. I like mine like this. And yeah, that's how you do that part. So now you can honestly remove your clips and go like this. And if some of the actual hair gets caught, just comb it out like that. But notice I didn't use any glue, so this process is like much easier than having to use glue and do all that, because honestly, day to day, to glue down your unit is a lot of work. So I'm gonna zoom out and I'm going to put my scarf on and show you guys how I do the rest of it. So I have my scarf on now. This is basically gonna just set down my spray. So if my makeup wasn't already done, while I would set this down, I will probably be doing my makeup, but I already did my makeup for the purpose of this video. So what you can do in the meantime is, while you're waiting for it to stay down, you could just brush your hair forward and you can run back through it with the flat iron. That thing wasn't even on, y'all. It literally was not on. But anyway, so I'm just gonna, you guys know, this is how I got my hair this straight before. I I just chase it with the flat iron. And I also have I washed this wig today. This hair is really good quality, as you guys can see. I got this hair from Manny TV, and I did construct my own wig. I made my wig, guys. I did not pay anybody to do this for me. I did it myself, because that's really what you gotta do when you're a college student. You gotta learn how to improvise and do things yourself instead of paying people. So I'm just gonna continue to do that. You can do is, if your wig is not flat, you can use the hot comb. My wig is already flat. I really don't have to use the hot comb. Take your scarf off. And it should look something like that. As you guys can see, it's blending right into my scalp. So it's actually like not even necessary for me to go in with the hot comb, guys. But basically, if you don't know how to use a hot comb, you can look that up on YouTube. I'm just gonna press out that line that my scarf left. So basically, this is how my hair looked when I took the scarf off. Because I had already styled my wig, I really didn't have to do much. I just took my scarf off, and this is kind of like what I was left with. As you guys can see, still glueless. It's not going anywhere still though, because I didn't spray a lot of Got2b glued spray on there. As long as you're not doing, like if you're gonna go to the gym or do some sort of crazy activity, like where you're active, then of course, you know, you're gonna sweat. But this pretty much lasts all day. And if you want to really make sure it's secure, all you have to do is just spray a little bit more on your comb, and you can just press it in one more time. But to be honest, it's not gonna go anywhere. So yeah, that really is how I lay down my hair, guys. I did wash my wig today, and I do construct my own wigs, like I said before. So my process might be a little bit different than yours. If your wig already came customized and your stylist already added baby hairs for you, all you basically have to be doing is laying them down. So if you have a 5x5 unit that was plucked out in the front, all you're gonna need is your Got2b glue spray and some Eco Gel and your edge brush and a scarf, and that's it. You're gonna just basically brush your hair down, and yeah, I like to just go over it with my hard brush just to really make sure that I have no flyaways or whatever. You could also take some of this spray on your hand, and then that'll also keep it down flat as possible. But yeah, that's really the end of the video, guys. It really doesn't take long, especially if your lace is bleached properly and plucked, you know, the way it's supposed to be. You really won't have any worries. So if you guys are interested, I am going to be selling wigs soon. Of course, I have to like work on the logistics of it, but I am going to be selling units. So if you're interested in getting something like this, and if you're interested in knowing where I got my hair from and everything like that, please let me know, and I will be sure to provide you guys information. But that's the end of this video. So I came into a different lighting to do my outro, just to show you guys that my hair really is blended into my scalp. If you guys have any questions about the way that I style my hair, I might do a separate video on how I actually flat iron it to get it bone straight. But honestly, I just use the chasing method, and I also put this in my hair before I flat iron it. This is just regular argan oil. I used about like a dime size amount on my whole unit, and I was able to get it like this, very shiny. So if you guys have any more questions, please feel free to put it in the comments below. I will be happy to answer them. And yeah, don't forget to follow all my social media. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend, and I'll see you guys next time.